In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. This is really helpful when you have a project setup you like and you want to reuse the same structure again, without having to rebuild everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and you're on the main home or projects view. Take a moment to locate the project you want to copy. This could be a recurring workflow, like a monthly content plan, a standard onboarding checklist, or any project whose tasks and layout you want to reuse. Click on the project name to open it. You should now see the full project view, whether that's in list, board, or another layout. Once the project is open, look toward the top of the screen, near the project title. You'll see a small arrow or drop-down icon next to the project name. This is where Asana keeps a lot of project-level options. Go ahead and click that small arrow. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse around the project title. It should appear as a little caret pointing down. After clicking the arrow, a drop-down menu will open with several options related to that project. In this menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate or Duplicate Project, depending on your interface. Click on Duplicate. This tells Asana that you want to create a copy of the current project, including its tasks and structure. When you choose to duplicate, Asana will usually show a confirmation window. Here, you can review what will be copied over, such as tasks, sections, and sometimes assignees or due dates, depending on your permissions and settings. For a simple duplication, you can leave the default options as they are. Once you're ready, click on the Duplicate Project button in that window. Asana will then create a new project based on the original. This may take a moment if your project is large. When it's done, you'll see the new project open, typically with the same name, plus some indication that it's a copy. At this point, you can rename the duplicated project, adjust any dates, and customize details without affecting the original. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly duplicate any existing project in Asana and reuse your best workflows whenever you need them.